Hi, this is Mr. Kevin Hurd with HaloCollector.com, and we've got the brand new 6-inch diameter plush Halo plasma grenade with electronic sounds. It's pretty cool. It's manufactured by JINX.com, and it's the very first time they've offered a plush Halo item. They make a lot of other things like t-shirts and stuff too. But this is really cool. We're going to take a look at it. As you can see, it comes with a nice little hang tag on there. And 6 inches. For comparison, we'll put in a 6-inch JINX figure. It's about 6 inches. It's a little squash. They shipped it in a plastic mailer bag. So it got a little squash, but that's good. It's plush. You're supposed to have a little bit of fun with it. I got a tag over there. It's well detailed, nice and soft, nice and detailed. Everything's embroidered on here. And on this side, we've got this little pouch, and that holds the electronics. So we'll just unzip that. And inside, we got a little white box and a switch. And there's a little tab you pull out to activate the batteries, but once you do that, you just turn it on and put it back inside. Make sure to stuff everything back in well. Hey, put a long wire on that. Not sure why. And now we'll zip it back up. Now when I hit it, I might have switched it off, so let's reach in there and hit that little button again. And there we go. Okay. So push that back in there. Oh, zipped it up. That button isn't the best thing, but it works for... There we go. So you throw this around, you hit something nice and solid. Well, that's not gonna do it. Let me get that sound activated, or activation sound. So that's the 6-inch plush hand grenade by JINX, and it retails, I believe, for right around $15. You can usually find it on some sale. JINX has a lot of good deals and stuff every once in a while. So check it out. Grab one for Christmas. Grab one for a great stocking stuffer for a Halo fan. So thank you for watching this, and we'll catch you later.